Hello and welcome to the demo of the Consolidated Editor, a feature new in ScrumWorks Pro Release 3. For Release 3, we have made significant improvements to the way that you can work with backlog items, tasks, and impediments. To cut down on clutter, we have added the ability to have tabs within the editor. If I just go ahead and open up an impediment, a task, and a backlog item, you can now see that we have all three open without taking up the whole screen. Leveraging the new docking system in Release 3, we can also dock the editor wherever it is convenient. If we want a juxtaposed view of multiple items, we can do so by dragging one of the tabs out and creating another window. We can freely move items between the two windows simply by dragging and dropping. Also in Release 3, when viewing backlog items and tasks, we can use the Next and Previous buttons to cycle through items without having to open up additional windows. As an example, in this case we have a task selected. This task is selected from the Sprints window. If we choose the Previous, you will see that it moves through the tasks in the Sprint window, and Next goes the opposite direction. We can also do this for backlog items. In this case, since this backlog item is from the sprint, the Next and Previous will move us through the sprint. If we decide to open up a backlog item from the product backlog, it will move us through the product backlog. The Next and Previous keys can also be accessed through shortcut keys, Control Up arrow and Control Down arrow. In addition to these shortcuts, we've also added quite a few more. For ease of use, we've created a new trifold key map. Here you can see an example of the key map for the Windows and Linux platforms. This concludes the demo. Please continue to the next demo titled New Features of the Editor, which goes into greater depth regarding specific improvements when creating and editing items.